that are dark and gray will be there to help you bring sunshine. On the days when the rain is heavy, we'll be there to keep you nice and dry. Even if we ride on different rails, or drive on roads, or hoist our sails, no matter where you are, we'll always be there. We'll always be there. We'll always be there. Forever on the rails we ride, forever steaming by your side, forever steaming by your side. Even on the days when we disagree, we ground ourselves in one simple fact: no matter what we run on, or what provides us power, we all run on the same track. Coal-fired and diesel fuel, it doesn't matter. I'm a silent run by a glorious fat Mad Hatter. At the end of the day, we know it's love, a feeling that shines through from below to above. Now Thomas and Percy left cause they didn't feel the fire, but what they learned is to never underestimate the power of having your friends right by your side. Reminds me of something by the Jackson 5.